With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. When it's time to make your markups, you can find all of the tools here on the left-hand side: the arrow, the rectangle, the pencil, the eraser, and much more. When you're ready to start making an annotation, you can choose the section that you want to call out and use one of the markup tools to do so. Here I'm using the rectangle and targeting a specific piece of this PDF. Here I can add my comment. And once the comment has been made, you can then edit with the pencil tool or delete it with the trash can tool, and you can leave a reply. All of the comments will be on the right-hand side, labeled under tasks, and you can search for them once there becomes a variety. By clicking on the tasks on the right-hand side, you can go directly to it and then leave a reply. And here you have it. You can also hide the replies that's written in the green. On the left-hand side, there's an option to hide all pop-ups and show all pop-ups. And this will change how you can print or save your PDF. If you choose to keep all the pop-ups, it will print and save that way. And if you choose to hide them, then it will just keep the original document. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.